Hi everyone, we'll get your phone travel ready with Yesim. We'll show you how to check compatibility and set up a Yesim eSIM on iPhone. Let's start. Step 1. Check compatibility. Open Settings, then go to Mobile Data and check whether you have Add eSIM. If you see this option, your phone is compatible, and you can proceed to purchase. Step 2. Installation. You'll see your newly purchased plan on the screen with 2 buttons below. You can install the eSIM on your phone or share it with a friend. Tap Install. Read the tips, they might be useful. Tap Got it. Here you can choose one of 3 setup options: fast, manual, or QR code. We'll use QR code. Open Settings, go to Mobile Data, choose Add eSIM, use QR code, and scan the code from your email. After scanning the QR code, tap Continue. Now you can choose where you're going to use this eSIM, home or abroad. Choose Abroad, then Data Only. Here you have to choose Travel eSIM Only, if you don't want to have an issue with roaming on your main SIM card. Then tap Not Now. Step 3. Setup. Now let's set up your new eSIM. In Mobile Service, choose this new eSIM. Here you can name it as you prefer. Tap Cellular Plan Label, then Edit Custom Label. Let's name it as a country where we travel to. Go back one step, turn on this line, and enable data roaming. Go back to Mobile Service. Choose your main phone number. If you want to use both SIMs at once, keep Primary on. That's it. You've successfully set up your eSIM. Need more details? Open the Yesim app and tap Help. Then Internet Not Working and follow the instructions. You'll get the same steps by email as well.